how do you get more public speaking assignments? This is what a lot of people say. Sir, मेरे को और public speaking assignments कैसे मिलेंगे? How would I be able to get more public speaking assignments for me? I will tell you, all the places, most of them, wherein you need to become a part of, and wherever you go, whenever you become a part of these things, you would be able to get even more public speaking assignments for yourself. Please type your YouTube channel. I will share it with others. So, number one, you can become a part of the Toastmasters. You can become a part of Toastmasters International. Now, the benefit when you become a part of Toastmasters International is you become a part of one club, just one club, and you would be able to attend the meetings of almost all the clubs across the world. And right now, because most of the meetings are happening online, so you can become a part of all the meetings. You can become a part of meetings happening in US, in UK, in Dubai, in Singapore, everywhere. Is it paid to join? Yes, this is paid. So it depends कि आप इसमें क्या लेना चाहते हैं, but it's not much. It's about 400-500 rupees per month. That is it. So you can figure out. And देखो इसमें भी एक चीज और क्या होती है ना, there are multiple clubs. There are multiple clubs, okay? So then there are some clubs who also have to pay for the venue. So because they have to pay for the venue also, their fees is a little bit high. Whereas there are other clubs who don't want to enroll for, who don't have to pay for the monthly fees or for the venue and all. So their fees is less. So आप वो अपना homework कर सकते हो कि आपको कौन से club में join करना है. So many of you ask me, Rahul, how were you able to get more? एक बंदा पूछ रहा है, is this really a non pre-recorded webinar? सर मैं पिछले सुबह 10 बजे से वार्तालाप कर रहा हूं आप लोगों के संग अभी. Okay, so 16 hours of live value, brother. It requires a lot from inside you. Okay, so when you talk about Toastmasters International, what you got to do is you become a part of this Toastmasters community, and then you would be able to attend the live sessions of all the Toastmasters clubs meetings. You can find it online कि कौन-कौन से आपके उसमें वो करा, आपने आपके सिटी में कौन-कौन से clubs हैं, आप उसका part बन सकते हैं, and then you will be able to do it. How to choose a club? You can attend the free meetings of that particular club, decide that this is the one I want to become a part of, and then do it. I would recommend you one thing. Don't become a part of a club that is very prominent. Because जब आप किसी एक बहुत बड़े prominent club का part बनते हो ना, you get very less opportunity. Become a part of a club that is a growing club, that has very less members, 10 people, 12 people in that group. Because therefore, it's a worldwide community. Prominent means very huge. Don't do it. In Bangalore itself, just in Bangalore itself, there would be about 300 to 400 Toastmasters clubs. 100% guaranteed. So become a part of a club that is growing and not a club that is huge. That's very important. Okay. The second thing that you need to figure out over here is in Dehradun, there is Mr. Harry Sethi. अब हैरी सेठी सर को ढूंढो इंटरनेट पे, उनको बोलो राहुल भटनागर जी ने बोला है आपसे बात करने के लिए. He will explain you everything about Toastmasters. Okay? So you will attend their meetings. You will learn how to become a good leader. You will understand how to become a good speaker and leadership qualities develop करना. So that is one way and one place wherein you can get assignments. तो अगर आप एक क्लब का पार्ट बनते हो, in Delhi also there are more than 200-300 clubs in the entire Delhi NCR region. One more thing. When you asked me how was I able to deliver, Harry Sethi sir is in Dehradun, okay? He is in Dehradun. If you are from Dehradun, then you can talk to him. आप मेल कर देना, हम आपको कनेक्ट करवा देंगे उनसे. Don't worry. Got it? संजीता, जयपुर में भी आप हमें मेल कर देना, I will get you connected. पुणे में भी आप मुझे मेल कर देना, I will get you connected with the right people. Got it? अभी ध्यान दो, मेरा बात पे ध्यान दो अभी आप, ठीक है? सर तुलाज इंस्टीट्यूट देहरादून, तुलाज में मैं सबको जानता हूँ, आपके ओनर को भी जानता हूँ. सिल्की is a very good friend. We have done events over there. Got it? Yeah. So when we talk about Toastmasters International, what you need to realize is the reason when I was able to deliver 50 speeches on 50 consecutive days was because there were so many Toastmasters clubs that used to have their meetings every day. So I went and I became a part of one of the clubs. I was a part of one of the clubs, and then I decided to go to different clubs to deliver speeches. And wo online speeches nahi thi. All of them were physical speeches. So physically, every day, I traveled across North India, Delhi, Gurgaon, Noida, Jaipur, Dehradun, Chandigarh. I traveled to all these places to deliver my speeches. So I used to go to Dehradun. I used to reach Dehradun early morning, deliver my talk, and then in the night, I used to again go back for Dehradun to Delhi with my own money. I did it with my own money. I did it with my own resources. I stayed in hotels with my own money. I did not earn any money for those 50 days because always remember there's a price that you need to pay for success. You need to pay that price for success. Do you get that? I did it in the year 2017. And that's the reason why today I have that world record and nobody else has it inside Toastmasters International. In fact, I was in Singapore and I met the then current Toastmasters International president. And I told him that I'm the person who delivered 50 speeches on 50 days. He said that I know you. Out of 2 lakh people across the world, he knew me. Although I was not that old, because we did something, I did something along with my team that no one else had done. So that is what is powerful. So you can become a part of it and you can get speaking assignments there also. Got it? Next. BNI is one more community. Now you will have to figure out more about BNI because I am not a part of BNI. You can become a part of BNI. You can attend their meetings and therefore you would be able to get more speaking opportunities for you. Understand when you एक चीज और है ध्यान से सुनो जब आप Toastmasters का पार्ट बनते हो ना because Toastmasters is also in corporates so you would be able to get into various Toastmasters clubs corporates also. Got it? Whether it is IBM, whether it is Google, whether it is TCS, whether it is Infosys, everywhere. You would be able to attend the meetings of those clubs and do networking there also. कितना ज़्यादा powerful है सोचो. आप महीने के 400-500 रुपए देके इतने बड़े-बड़े क्लब्स में जाके इतने renowned लोगों के संग सीख सकते हो. Time spend कर सकते हो. And you are intelligent enough, so you would also be able to create the opportunity for himself. My husband became a part of Toastmasters in his company. He has to deliver a speech tomorrow. Very good. Best wishes. So Toastmasters is one community. BNI is one community. Then Rotary clubs are there. You can become a part of it. Then Lions Club is there. Everybody can become a part of it. Whether you are a girl, whether you are a boy, irrespective of your age, irrespective of your gender, you can do it. The next thing is Lions Club. So understand, you don't need to become a part of all these clubs. You don't need to become a part of all these clubs. एक अपने लिए authority create करो. Send them an email and tell them that I want to speak. Send them an email and tell them that I want to speak. Some of them will say yes. You will get your chance. You were asking me how to get public speaking assignments. I am opening the entire door for you. You can choose for yourself. What do you want to pick up? Then message coaching institutes. Tell them I want to speak for free. I want to speak for free to your students. Speak for free to their students. Invite them for a free webinar of yours. Get more speaking assignments done for you. Record all the speaking assignments. Take out amazing clippings from the same and then use it as your own content for Instagram, for YouTube, and for other multiple platforms. That is how you would also be able to create content for you. Whenever you are speaking for free, it is actually not that you are speaking for free. You are getting the attention of the people. And with the content that you are creating, you can use that content, upload it on the internet, and get more views and more visibility out of it. So Toastmasters is there, BNI is there, Rotary Clubs is there, Lions Club is there, Coaching Institute is there. Along with that, there are schools. Reach out to schools. Tell them I want to conduct sessions for you for free. Do it online. अभी COVID-19 की वजह से जो आपके पास advantage है, make the most of it. Get more speaking assignments for you. Now you tell me, you mail 100 clients. Will you not get yes from 2 of them? And I'm also going to give you exactly आपको क्या करना है, आपको क्या मेल पे लिखना है. मैं आपको वो भी क्लियर कट अभी बताने वाला हूँ. क्यों नहीं आएंगे आपके पास रिजल्ट्स? Then there are also multiple societies. They would also want somebody to speak over there. On what topics we can speak? Whatever you are good at. In school, where you're talking about school students, talk to them about mindset, talk to them about motivation, talk to them about self-education, how to contact school on email or in person. That also I'm going to cover. By 8 p.m. I will cover everything for you. समझे? Wait करो बस आप अभी. So society clubs, you can reach out over there. Then there are multiple Facebook groups. They want somebody there. They want somebody to go live and give them knowledge and information. Tell them that I want to go live in your Facebook group. I want to create knowledge. I want to share my knowledge. I want to share my wisdom. I want to share whatever information I have within me with your students, so that they would, with your, so that they would be benefited, so that they can get some value from my experience. Why will they not want to invite you? You are going over there. You are doing it for free. आप कोई भी काम नहीं कर रहे हो वहां पे, मतलब आप जाने के लिए कोई फीस भी नहीं चार्ज कर रहे हो, तो आप क्यों नहीं करोगे वहां से? तो आपको फिर ये चीज फिगर आउट करनी बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आप वहां पे गए, आपने अपना कंटेंट दिया एंड बताया. लाइक आई हैव अ ग्रुप बाय द नेम लर्न पब्लिक स्पीकिंग. नाउ माइन इज अ वेरी बिग ग्रुप, राइट? But there are also other groups that have 1,000 people, 2,000 people that want good speakers to come and provide value upon one particular topic. Start doing that. Somebody will say yes. somebody will allow you to do it. Once you do it in one club, तो बाकी जगह पे या वन ग्रुप में, बाकी क्लब्स में जाना, बाकी ग्रुप्स में जाना अपने आप ही आपके लिए इजी हो जाता है. एक टॉपिक के ऊपर मास्टरी करो, 1 महीना 2 महीना लगा के कुछ तो नॉलेज ले लो एंड धीरे धीरे लोगों को बताते रहो. इनिशियली एज इट इज यू आर डूइंग फॉर फ्री. ग्रेजुअली वंस यू हैव डाइवर्सिफाइड योरसेल्फ, वंस यू हैव गॉट मोर टेस्टिमोनियल्स, वंस यू हैव डाइवर्सिफाइड योर कंटेंट, वंस यू हैव increased your follower base, you would be able to get more revenue for you. And that is exactly what is important. जब आप ये सब चीजें करोगे तब आप देखोगे कि आपके पास और बहुत सारी चीजें, अपॉर्चुनिटीज आने लग गई हैं. लेंथ फॉर स्पीच 5 to 7 minutes, और इफ यू वांट टू डू अ सेशन 25 to 30 minutes. It entirely depends upon you. Length depends upon you. एक और जगह बताता हूँ जहाँ पे आपको अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलेंगी. They are the co-working spaces. You see, there are so many co-working spaces. 91 Springboard is there, right? Then there are other co-working spaces. You know what's the co-working space, right? Wherein all the people come and attend together, right? That is what is important. तो वो चीज के ऊपर आपको फिगर आउट करना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है कि आप कोवर्किंग स्पेसेस में जाइए, कोवर्किंग स्पेसेस से जाके आप नॉलेज लीजिए, एंड कोवर्किंग स्पेसेस में जाके आप बोलो कि मैं अपना टॉपिक डिलीवर करूंगा, सेशन डिलीवर करूंगा. नो नो नो, Starbucks is not a co-working space. A co-working space means wherein you are provided the opportunity to work against a monthly fees. So you can either take a desk at a co-working space or you can take an entire place. So WeWork, of course, like Arun has suggested, is one of the co-working spaces. Then 91 Springboard is one of the co-working spaces. There are also many others. Innovate is there, and there are also many others who are co-working spaces, who work as co-working spaces. आप उनको बोलो कि मैं आपके जो यहाँ पे लोग हैं उनके लिए मैं सेशन करने वाला हूँ, तो वहां से आपको स्पीकिंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिल सकती हैं. देन देयर आर आल्सो मल्टीपल यूनिवर्सिटीज. Tell them that I want to come and I want to create opportunities and I want to speak upon a particular topic, and therefore you would be able to get results. And don't worry, there are also not just big prominent co-working spaces. There are also smaller ones that have 10 people, 15 people, 20 people, and therefore you would be able to go there, give them some value and give them information. Please understand and please remember one thing. Whenever you are delivering any particular session over there, please realize and please remember that you need to, first of all, prepare your content in the form of pointers. And the next thing that you need to do is record your sessions. Record your sessions, ladies and gentlemen. If you are not recording your sessions, तब कभी भी कोई फायदा नहीं होने वाला. समझ में आया आपको? तब कभी भी कोई फायदा नहीं होने वाला. तो आपके सेशंस को रिकॉर्ड पक्का करो, because when you will record it, only then will you be able to get more things done for you, get more opportunities for you. It's very important that you record all your sessions. Got it? Because when you will record your sessions, you will have it with you. You will get to know what was the good point, what needs to work upon, what improvements have to be done. And once you have figured all those things out, the next thing that you will be able to do for yourself is put it on the internet. Edit karo, internet pe dalo, edit karo, internet pe dalo. Of course, Kajal, you can do it. And that is what is important. No confidence at that level, what to do? Increase the confidence. How do you increase the confidence? Whatever knowledge I have given to you, on the basis of that, make videos and get it in front of people. जब जितनी बार आप वो करोगे, आप देखोगे कि आपके पास नए चांसेस एंड अपॉर्चुनिटीज आ रहे हैं. आई विल हैव टू हैव माय ओन रिकॉर्डिंग गियर, नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. आपके लैपटॉप पे सेशन कर रहे हो, लैपटॉप से रिकॉर्ड कर लो, स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग से रिकॉर्ड कर लो. सारी चीजें पॉसिबल हैं बॉस. Everything is possible. The only thing that is required is that you should be there. What should be your first step? Start reaching out to people. Mail them, message them, call them, WhatsApp them, send them a DM, write on their Facebook profiles, and therefore you would be able to get results. आपके सेशन के वीडियोस बना के कर सकते हैं, बिल्कुल. You can take my content, you can create those videos, you can share it with people. I'm not even telling you to give me the credit for it. All that I want you to do is do the work, man. Get those results, get that attention for you. The only thing that matters is that you should be ready to take the initiative. Just like somebody has written over here, I just messaged Harry sir, this is what I want. आपको कोई चीज समझ में आए, boom, implement it right then and there. Delay मत करो. बाद में सोचोगे, भूल जाओगे. You will not remember everything. So what's very important is उसी समय figure out करो, उसी समय लोगों के सामने अपना content ले जाओ. If you're going to delay it, you will forget. If you're going to delay it, you will feel lazy. If you're going to delay it, you will feel अरे यार नहीं करना है. तभी मैं आपको बोलता हूँ, जब मैं आपको गैप देता हूँ, जब मैं आपको ब्रेक देता हूँ, वीडियो तभी बनाओ, कंटेंट तभी बनाओ. बिकॉज अगर आप नहीं करोगे ना उस समय, तो बाद में आप भूल जाओगे, ढीले पड़ जाओगे, अरे यार कर लेंगे यार. एंड जैसी ये चीज आ जाती है कर लेंगे, तो कभी भी नहीं होता. Whenever we get into that state, अरे यार कर लेंगे तो कभी भी नहीं होता. Do you agree? That's the reality. And this is what I want to say. Everywhere there must be a Toastmasters club available. Just type on the internet your city plus Toastmasters and you will get whether that club exists over there, and you will get the contact number of the right person over there. Got it? That's important. So record your sessions. One more way wherein you would be able to get results for you is through a collaboration. Do collaborations. When you will do multiple collaborations, automatically you would be able to get more opportunity for you. समझ में आए आपको? बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है आपके लिए वो चीज करना एंड वो वाली अपॉर्चुनिटीज अपने लिए बनाना, क्योंकि जब जब आप वो करोगे, कोलैबोरेशंस करेंगे, अपॉर्चुनिटीज करेंगे, आप अपने आप ही रिजल्ट्स लेके आएंगे एंड आप अपने आप ही आगे लेके चले जाना खुद पे खुद शुरू कर दोगे. सो दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई कोलैबोरेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड जब आप कोलैबोरेशंस की बात करते हो, यू नीड टू रियलाइज that anybody and everybody can actually do it. You just need to reach out to multiple influencers and one of them will say hi, yes, and one of them will agree to it. That's all that matters. जब आप मल्टीपल क्लाइंट्स के पास तक रीच आउट करते हो, मल्टीपल इन्फ्लुएंसर्स के पास तक रीच आउट करते हो, मल्टीपल कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स के पास तक रीच आउट करते हो, some of them are going to say yes. All that you need is the first yes. Collaboration means wherein you are creating video with some other creator. When you are creating video content with some other creator, that is what is the meaning of collaborations. That's very important. Do it right away. It's one attitude I've learned from you. I agree. That's very important. Do it right now. Opportunity is now. It's right away, right now. So what's very important is we also go live with very true. You can also go live. I will also write that here. Go live on multiple platforms. अब आप मुझे बताओ who stops you from doing that? Everything is available. Then the second thing that you can do is go live on the Instagram live sessions of multiple influencers. Send them a request. Maybe they will allow you. I also went live with 4 or 5 people yesterday. And because of that, I am sure some of you who went live with me would have had some follower base increased for you. कुछ लोगों ने आपको follow करा होगा. Am I right? People who went live with me yesterday, 100% ऐसा हुआ होगा. तो आप अपने लिए opportunities खुद ब खुद. Monica says I got 47. Kenny says I got 40 followers. Jitesh says yes, I also. Jitesh, how many followers did you get? I'm interested. So Jitesh also get 30 followers. Also got 30 followers. So you see, you got those number of followers, right? 30 new people, man. 47 new people, man. So powerful. So everything happens. All the opportunities are created for you. And each and everything that I'm sharing with you is something that works. पर उसको चलने के लिए आपको चलना जरूरी है मेरे भाई. It's very important. Neha says, last time when I spoke in the workshop and shared my Instagram followers, I got more than 100 followers. So this happens. And this is exactly what you got to do. And that is important. Got it? Do it and results आपके पास अपने आप ही आने लग जाएंगे. Let me repeat it one more time before we go ahead, right? How do you get more public speaking assignments? Jibesh, what is your query, brother? I also want to go live. We will do it. Your singing is also good. गा देंगे गाना भी यार, आप बोलो तो सही. जिसने मुझे बोला है सर आपको गाना गाना चाहिए, tomorrow you enroll for sales master class. आप enroll करो, मैं गाना गाऊंगा. आप 500 लोग enroll करो, मैं 500 बार गाना गाऊंगा. I guarantee. रात भर यहाँ पे बैठा रहूंगा जब तक सबके लिए एक बार गाना नहीं गा देता. I don't mind doing that. आप मुझे बोलो, मैं परसों सुबह तक रुका रहूंगा. I will continue singing over there. How can we go live without no proper content? Content दे तो दिया आपको मेरे भाई. I've given you so much of content. Speak upon it. Got it? Karo. So Toastmasters International is one forum wherein you would be able to get results for you. Okay. Then BNI is one of the forums. BNI में जाके आप कर सकते हैं. Then Rotary Clubs is one of them, right? The next thing is Lions Club, coaching institutes, and you don't need to become a part of them. आप बस शुरू करो and results लेकर आ जाओ. शुरू करो और अपने लिए results अपने आप ही लेकर आने लग जाओगे. Got it? That's very important. Got it? Good. Yes, Malay, you can transfer yourself from one club to the other. That's not a problem at all. Got it? Good. Then schools, then other clubs, then society clubs, then the Facebook groups, then your own Facebook page, then co-working spaces, then universities, then different pointers. Always prepare your content in the form of pointers whenever you go, and do sessions also. Otherwise, you will forget. Just like I prepare my content in the form of pointers. Okay? Yeah. The next thing is, please record your sessions. When you will record your sessions, you would then realize that it is even more impactful. आपको पता भी चलेगा ना क्या चीज अच्छी है और किसके ऊपर वर्क अपॉन करना जरूरी है. Do you realize that? You would also get to know what is it that is good, what content is good, and what you need to work upon. Even वो वाली चीज भी आपको समझ में आने लग जाएगी. Sagar, I will try. Okay, I will try. Right, and then do collaborations with other content creators. Go live, and once you have gone live, that is what is so very important. You have amazing energy, bro. It takes a lot of toll on your body to create energy like that. I guarantee. I guarantee you. You get that? बहुत ताकत लगती है भाई साहब. It's not easy. I guarantee you it's not easy. अभी मैंने मेरी टीम के बंदे को मैसेज करा है कि get me some hot tea. My throat needs the hot tea. So they will get it for me. So it's very important. How to do collaborations on the initial days? बात करोगे, लोग हाँ बोलेंगे यार. प्रयत्न तो करिए. परिणाम की चिंता करते हुए अगर प्रयास ही नहीं करोगे, सफलता कैसे पाओगे? Do you understand? If you will always focus on the end results and will not put in the efforts, how will you get what you want for yourself? And that is what is so very important. And that is how you will be able to get amazing opportunities for yourself. Ekta says, I got 78 followers right now after talking with you. Brilliant, man. Brilliant. अदरक और इलायची डलवा लेना बोल देता हूँ यार. क्या पता अगर नहीं बनी होगी तो. थोड़ी अदरक और इलायची भी डाल देना. डन. थोड़ी अदरक और इलायची भी डाल देना. लोगों ने कहा है तो मैंने सुन लिया. हैप्पी. हमें भी बुलाओ कभी चाय पे. आप 100% आपको चाय पे बुलाऊंगा मेरे भाई. We are going to do that top-notch program wherein for you, I'll take your name. Shrey would be the first person. हम आपके लिए स्पेशली लिख देंगे. जैसे ही श्रेय आए, before his registration happens, उनके लिए ऐसे चाय पेश हो जानी चाहिए. सर रजिस्ट्रेशन तो बाद में होता रहेगा. हम बारातियों का स्वागत चाय से करते हैं, तो हम आपको चाय दे देंगे. फिर आप वहां पे चाय से शुरुआत करिएगा अपने लिए. ओके, प्लीज डू दैट. सर इस टाइम पे तो आप ग्रीन टी लेते हो ना यार. अभी मेरे ना गले को बहुत जरूरत है चाय की. अत्यंत आवश्यक है वो चाय लेकर आना हमारे लिए. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. थैंक यू विपुल. थैंक यू सो मच मैन. आई लव इट. This is what Malay says. I want to say something. I would like to thank Vipul who is helping me. I would also pass on your message to my team. They would also see it. Where is my team? Winning team RB. Here it goes. Message typed. Message sent. Thank you. You are funny too. जब तक आप humorous नहीं होगे तब तक कैसे करोगे? And then again, I would like to share one more thing with you. At one particular point of time, I was like, यार, how can I make people laugh? I'm not good at it. I will never be able to do it. अभी वो चीज naturally आने लग जाती है. And वही चीज आपको समझना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है कि वो अपने आप ही आप अपने लिए वो opportunity बना ले जाते हो जब आप अच्छे से अपने ऊपर efforts डाल देते हो. समझ में आया? चलो आगे चलते हैं. Now let us talk about the mailing sequence. What all has to be done in your emailing sequence? Why are emails so very important? How should you go about emails? How do you reach out to clients using email? How will you get more opportunities because of emails? How do you make that happen for you? How do I improve my sales skills? We will guide you about that. Don't worry. Can a motivational speaker be a good beginning? Yes, it can be. You can start doing that also. How to make content? I just told you कि आप कैसे कर सकते हो इसको. And वो चीज हमने आपको बता दिया है. Okay. For how long have you been talking? मैं तो सुबह से लगा हुआ हूं भाई साहब बातें करने के लिए. ठीक है, आगे चलते हैं. Next, email outreach is extremely important. And the reason why the email outreach is extremely essential is, see, you realize that because of the email outreach that you are doing, you would be able to get more clients come to you. you would be able to have more opportunities come for you. And that's why I say to people कि आप email पे उन तक reach out करो, send them more emails, tell them how you would be able to get opportunities, how you would be able to get more chances, and how you would be able to benefit their organization. Why should they select you? So that you can deliver a session for them. That's important. So this is the first mail. ये सब लिख लो, फोटो खींच लो. कौन सा गाना था वो? तेरी फोटो को से फोटो खींच लो आप, ऐसे दीवार पे लगा देना आप, ऐसे करके एक के बाद एक. Okay, so this is going to be the first mail that you are going to send to people, and that is research and explain the benefits of whatever you are offering to them. So do that research for that particular organization, and after you have done the research, please realize कि आपको उनको बताना है कि उनको क्या फायदा होने वाला है. How are they going to be benefited by your session? Because till the time that is not clear, how they are going to be benefited by your session, मजा नहीं आएगा. They will not understand. So in the first email, and you can send these emails through Google only, through email only, no problem at all. In the first email, do some research and explain to them the benefits of your session as to why you should do that session. Got it? Mail 1. Mail 2, if they have not replied to your email, this is what you should send them. Did you get the time to go through my previous mail? Just following up on that. Just following up on that. That is what you need to ask them. Did you get the time to go through my email? If not, just following up on that, right? Mail 3. In the third mail, you need to tell them the extended benefits. And this should be your subject line. Please note it down. This should be your subject line of that mail. Did I also tell you? ये लिख लो. ये आपका मेल का subject line होना चाहिए. Extended benefits. Did I also tell you that you will have this benefit? You will be able to get these results. You will be able to get more chances. You would be benefited in this manner. Tell them about the extended benefits of your opportunity. Got it? Mail 1, research and explain the benefits. Mail 2, follow up. Did you get the time? Mail 3, did I also tell you? Tell them about the extended benefits as to why they should select you for that particular session. Mail 4, case studies or existing results or the success stories. This should be your subject line. Success stories should be your subject line for the fourth mail. And inside that, share. SL is subject line, okay? Subject line. So then what you got to do is tell them about the case studies or the existing results that you have got for you or for the other people wherein you have conducted the sessions. Again, why are you doing this repeatedly? Because when you are going to do this repeatedly, you are following up on people. People are busy. People are occupied. People are not able to go through all the emails. So when you are regularly reaching out to them, you will be able to make that happen for you. Got it? If you don't have any success stories, no problem. उसका भी solution बताया था. एक दो लोगों के लिए free of cost करो, testimonials निकाल दो. SL here is subject line, people. SL is subject line, okay? SL is the subject line of the email. Got it? Good. Somebody has said that you can also send them YouTube videos of yours. Of course, एक दिन में नहीं करना है, अलग-अलग दिन में करना है मेरे दोस्त. Every second day or every third day is how you have to do it, okay? Don't do it on one day only. Got it? That is what is very important, right? The next thing that you got to do is mail 5. So mail 4, success story subject line. Mail 5, send them a stern mail plus a steady push. And this should be your subject line. 5 minutes. 5 minutes should be your subject line. Can I have 5 minutes? Can I have 5 minutes? And when you ask them, can I have 5 minutes of yours? तो वो आएगा. Neha has asked the question. Mail to me, this is a question mark. This is a question mark, okay? Yeah. Turn means pushing them. What is it? Why is it that you have not replied to the email? How can I expect you to revert to this? What more is required from my side? So that is obviously you will not be impolite. You will be polite, but you will push them hard. Ask them anything else that is required from my end. What is missing from our end? What is required? How can we do it for you? What more can we do so that we can get that opportunity from you? This is what is going to be for you on the फिफ्थ ईमेल, ये आपका पांचवा ईमेल है जो कि आप उनको भेजोगे। अब आप सोचो, जब आप एक पर्टिकुलर बंदे को इतने ईमेल्स भेजोगे, डज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ देम increasing and replying to your email increases? Yes or no? Yes or no? The probability of them replying to your email, does that increase? For sure it does, right? What is a stern mail? Stern का मतलब होता है tough words. Stern का मतलब होता है tough words. आपने थोड़े से tough words में पूछा, अभी तक क्यों नहीं आया है? What is lacking? What more should I do so that I would be able to create it? That is exactly what you got to do. Of course, it should be polite. ये थोड़ी लिख दोगे अबे ओ भाई साहब ओ इतने मेल कर दिए, रिप्लाई ना करा जा रहा तुमसे. You won't write that in any email, right? Maybe मन तो बोल गया कर रिप्लाई नहीं कर रहा यार ये मेरे को, but you won't do it on the email, right? I don't even think on those lines. I don't even think on those lines, honestly speaking. मेरा तो ये है कि कोई मेल पे बोले कितने मेल करेगा तू भाई, ये वो चलते चले जाओ. अगर एक बंदा बोलता है कैसे हो तुम्हारे मेल बंद, एनरोल, मेल आने बंद, वैल्यू आना शुरू. That is what is important, right? And that's exactly what you do. अपने आप ही इतने मैसेजेस आते हैं, आप एक बार ले लीजिए, आपके पास उसके बाद सिर्फ मैसेजेस आएंगे लाइव ट्रेनिंग्स के बारे में. सिंपल सा तरीका है. अपन को अभी कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है कोई बंदा क्या बोले. पुलिस कंप्लेंट किस चीज के लिए करेगा यार? हम ऐसा थोड़ी ना है कि किसी का डेटाबेस उठा के उनको मैसेज या कॉल कर रहे हैं, राइट? व्हाट वी आर डूइंग इज टेलिंग पीपल whom we know should become a part of it. And we already know that whatever opportunity is being offered to them is going to be so very helpful for them. And that is what is the best part over here. So again, and if you're going to be so worried whether this is going to be benefiting, whether this, thank you, whether this is going to benefit you or this is not going to work, then you will not be able to get results. Simple cheez. एंड लोग तो आपका बिना ईमेल आपसे लिए हुए मंगा लेते हैं, राइट? इधर उधर से उठा के ईमेल भेज देते हैं. हम तो परमिशन लेके बोलेंगे अब मैंगो कहां से लाऊं मैं, अभी चाय पीने दो आप मेरे को, ठीक है? या so do the work, man. Do we have to pitch the price in the first email? Well, you can if it's a paid opportunity. If you are a paid opportunity, somebody says sir आपके सेकंड सेशन में आप ज्यादा जॉली मूड में है. पता नहीं यार. दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट, ये बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. चाय कैसी बनी है एक बार पी लेता हूँ यार. पिछली बार ध्यान से, मतलब इस वाले मूड से नहीं पिया था कि पीस पता चल जाएगी कैसी है. अभी देख लेता हूँ टेस्ट वेस्ट. थोड़ी कड़वी टाइप की है पर बहुत अच्छी है. मैं गले को ऐसी चाहिए थी, बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, राइट? वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट? ये चीज है. The value of this webinar is beyond 1997, sir. The value of our webinar is beyond anything that you can even think about, provided you implement those things for yourself. For the first time, I'm seeing a person who takes 16 hours of live workshop with this kind of energy. वो कौन थे? हमारी एकता. एकता ने बोला था ना हमारी बैटरी चलती चली जाए. That is what is important. Wouldn't it be odd to mention the price before they express the interest? Maybe. But again, it would depend upon how much authority you have created in the market, right? If you have created a lot of authority and if that is important, तो आप अपने आप ही results लेकर आ जाते हैं. That is what is important. Will we get the recordings? Yes. पूरे 5 साल के लिए हम आपको recordings देंगे. आप जितनी बार चाहें, जब चाहें, जैसे चाहें, जिस डिवाइस पे चाहें उसको देख सकते हैं. एंड वही चीज यहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है आपके पास. Got it? Good. Let's go ahead. So the fifth email would be, can we get these email templates? I'm giving it to you, no? Copy it. You can use it. अब उसके अंदर तो आपको थोड़ा सा कंटेंट लिखना पड़ेगा ना. अगर वो भी नहीं लिखना तो उसके लिए हम आपको एक और अपॉर्चुनिटी देंगे कल. ऑलराइट, लेट्स गो अहेड. एक आप मार्केटिंग का सबसे प्रीमियम पार्ट है सर. आप ईमेल सीक्वेंस पता चलना ओनली 1.5 to 2 लाख रुपीस, ऑफ कोर्स. एंड तभी तो वो चीज करते हैं ना. समझ में आया? चलो आगे चलते हैं, आगे चलते हैं. मेल 5 is a stern mail plus a steady push. Mail 6, when should I reach out? This is what you should ask them. All right, when should I reach out? When should I reply again? अगर इसका रिप्लाई नहीं आया तो हम दोबारा वापस आएंगे. हम तो दूरदर्शन के एड की तरह हैं जो आता ही रहता है, आता ही रहता है, आता ही रहता है. This can be the subject line. When should I reach out? That is what you can do. Got it? Mail 7 is what you can do, and mail 7 would be what just happened. What just happened, or this just happened. This can be the subject line for this. What just happened, or this just happened. This would be your mail 7, wherein you would again tell them some of the results that people who have learned from you, that people who have got some opportunity from you, got. That is what you need to share with them. Got it? So this is what you need to tell them. The results achieved in the mail 7. अगर आप एक चीज बहुत ध्यान से देख रहे हो ना, look at the subject lines. Yes, the testimonials. Look at the subject lines of the email. क्योंकि जो भी आप सब्जेक्ट लाइन के बारे में बात कर रहे हो ना, आप देखोगे कि कितना ज्यादा पावरफुल है, एंड तब आपको मजा आएगा कि सब्जेक्ट लाइन कितनी ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. गॉट इट? क्योंकि सब्जेक्ट लाइन की वजह से ही मेल खुलता है. इट्स लाइक द ट्रेलर ऑफ योर मूवी. जब तक आपका ट्रेलर अच्छा नहीं होगा, मूवी देखने कोई नहीं आएगा बॉस. पिट जाएगी. जो आपका प्रोड्यूसर है वो बिक जाएगा. मेरे को पता है, मेरी एंटरप्रेन्योरियल जर्नी में ना लोग शुरू में बोलते थे सड़क पे आ जाओ. तो ओके, मैं क्या करूं सड़क पे ना आ सकूं. ऐसी ऐसी बातें भी बोली जाती थी. तो होता है यार ये सब कुछ, एंड अपने घर से भी आती हैं सब बातें. आपके जो जानकार लोग होते हैं ना, रिश्तेदार टाइप्स, वहां से भी आती हैं. आपको क्या करना है ऐसे में? फिर आपके लिए एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सी चीज है. आपको क्या करना है? रुकना थकना नहीं तेरा काम चलते रहना है सुबह शाम, पाएगा वो जो लक्ष्य है तेरा. So this is what you need to do. मेरे भी आ रही है, 100% आएंगी. Yeah, people don't know about what you're doing. They're not aware about the stuff, and that's exactly what is there. Kajal says yesterday the mail was subject line say yes. Of course, सारे मेल लिखे हैं वो मैंने, जो आपको मैंने कल भर के मेल भेजे थे ना, इतने सारे. कल तो मतलब मैं थक गया था यार. मतलब मेरे को 8 मेलिंग लिस्ट से मेल भेजने थे. हर एक मेल में हर एक लिंक चेक करना था. मेल में लिंक करने के बाद सारे सेट करने थे, और ये भी इंश्योर करना था कि सारे मेल अपडेट्स फोल्डर में जाएं, कोई गलती से प्रमोशन में ना चला जाए. तो वो भी बार बार टेस्ट करने थे. बहुत मेहनत लगती है भाई साहब, बहुत मेहनत लगती है. समझ में आया आपको? पीपल क्वेरीज लेटर, दैट्स इंपॉर्टेंट. Sir, please do webinars in this mode only. I like it. Why do you think I'm doing the webinar in this mode right now? Because I know that you people are tired. You have been there with me since the morning. I know that it takes a toll on your body, and that is why I'm making it even more enjoyable. That's exactly what a public speaker is supposed to do. Create your content on the basis of the mood of the audience. Create your content on the basis of the position of your audience. Create the content so that people can learn, and they would always be able to get results for themselves. ये चीज बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. समझ में आया आपको? हाँ जी, अब ध्यान से सुनिए. So what just happened and this just happened. This is what should be in your subject line. Because if this is not going to be in your subject lines, people might not open your email. So everybody would be interested, right? What just happened, man? I want to read it. I want to read it. I want to learn from this particular individual. This is what you got to do. Then mail 8. Greetings on any particular day. Greetings on Diwali, greetings on Eid. People, first of all, please don't write the same things again and again. आप में से कुछ लोग मुझसे क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हो 25 बार. I will not be able to answer those queries. I'm working over here. अपनी queries संभाल के रखिए. Got it? Relax. आपका Instagram बाद में शेयर कर लेना. अभी मेरे को तो मेरा काम करने दो. So please understand. Mail 8 would be the greetings. Right? जैसे कि Happy Diwali, Merry Christmas, whatever occasion is there, that is exactly what you got to do. And then in mail 9, again send a follow-up email. I just wanted to follow up on what I have shared with you earlier. I want you to close this. And then again, continue. Do it as many times as you want. Do it as many times as you can, so that you can generate that result, so that you can generate that revenue, so that you can get that client done for you. And always, please understand this one thing. That's very important for each and every one of you. Okay, listen to me. आप जिस भी दिन मेल कर रहे हो ना, उसको लिख के रखो. आपके पास एक पूरी शीट बनी होनी चाहिए. From top to bottom should be the name of that brand. From left to right, you need to realize when did you approach them and what was the reply that you got from them. वो बहुत important है. Because only then will you be able to do a steady follow up on that particular brand. From top to bottom, the name of the brand. From left to right, the response that you have got. बहुत जरूरी है. चलो आपको एक इंटरेस्टिंग सी बात बताता हूँ. If the client unsubscribes, it does not matter if people unsubscribe. In India, there are 135, 140 crore people. If one person unsubscribes, there would be thousands others who would want to listen to you. At the same time, you cannot please everybody. If you would like to please everybody, you would never be able to get some results. As long as you know that what you are doing is being done in the right spirit to help people get results, करो ना फिर. करो ना, follow up करो ना. And do as much follow up as you can. That is powerful. When you do it, then you realize that this is so important. Should we focus on foreign audiences too? Of course we can. Why not? Why not? Everything works. What is important is you get to get in front of people on a repeated basis. When you would get in front of people on a repeated basis, you would realize कि अपने आप ही आपके पास results आएंगे. दोबारा समझा देता हूँ मैं आपको मेल का आउटरीच कैसा होता है. Emailing sequence. Emails are very important. Emails get you in front of people, and emails have a higher probability of getting you results. That's important. Right? Next, research and explain the benefits of your opportunity. That's very important, right? Somebody says, sir, I will get the recording of each and every minute. Yes, हम आपको एक मिनट की रिकॉर्डिंग प्रोवाइड करेंगे. आप बिल्कुल भी चिंतित ना होइए. धन्यवाद. So, mail one is research and explain the benefits about what they are going to get and how they will be benefited because of your content. Number two, did you get the time of going through my email, and therefore you would be able to get more results, and how it is going to be benefited by you for your results. That is the second thing over here. That is what is very important, right? Number three, mail three is, did I also tell you this should be the subject line? This should be the subject line for your email. And you should tell them about the extended benefits. Did I also tell you? And then you would realize कि ये आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा काम कैसे आने वाला है. Mail 4, case studies or existing results with the subject line SL. Gap between these emails, it can be 2 to 3 days also. No worries. Okay. Next, mail 5, the stern mail is very much required. What more is required? How will we expect? When can we expect? So a little tough language, not impolite, not rude, but yes, this is what you got to do. Then the next thing is mail 6. When should I reach out to you? When should I reach out to you? Mail 7. This just happened. What just happened? This should be the subject line. And you need to tell them about the results that they have achieved. And mail 8 is the greetings part. You need to tell them about the greetings, wish them on any particular occasion, and then you would realize कि इस occasion पे आपने उनको wish कर दिया है, and आपके पास results आएंगे, and आपके पास opportunities खुद ब खुद आएंगे, and खुद ब खुद आपको results अपने लिए create कर पाओगे. And अगर उसका भी जवाब नहीं आता, mail 9 दोबारा follow up कर दो, mail 10 दोबारा follow up कर दो. जब तक results नहीं आए, करते चले जाओ. क्या था वो dialogue? जब तक तोड़ेंगे नहीं, तब तक छोड़ेंगे नहीं. This is what you got to do. एक बात और बताइए आप हमें, आज सुबह आप में से ऐसे कौन से लोग हैं जिन्होंने मेरा सुबह 6 बजे वाले मेल या 8 बजे वाले मेल के बाद एनरोल करा था? टेल मी. Thank you so much, Sagar. I really love it. How many of you enrolled after my 6 a.m. or the 8 a.m. email? I wrote it yesterday night at 2 a.m. कल रात को 2 बजे लिखा था वो मेल मैंने, आपको पता है. मैंने बोला यार करना पड़ेगा यार, और करते हैं. एक मेल 6 बजे डाला, एक मेल 8 बजे डाला. मैं बोला जब इतना कर ही दिया है, क्यों ना आगे भी बढ़ा दिया जाए. समझ में आया? और ताबड़तोड़ करो, और ज्यादा पुश करो. सो बिल्कुल जब अपने मूड में है, जब काम करना है तो पूरा 100% करना है. उसके बाद फिर मैं सुबह उठा, जो बाकी के सेशंस थे उनके ऊपर वर्क अपॉन करा, जो कंटेंट आपको देना था वो करा. उसके बाद फिर अपन आए. Then tomorrow also you're going to be absolutely loving the session, and then you would realize कि रिजल्ट्स कैसे आएंगे. अरुण is saying, सर माय फैमिली इज सेइंग ये आदमी पागल हो गया, इतना ध्यान तो कॉलेज से भी नहीं पढ़ा और ना ही कॉलेज में. उनको आप बोलो ना, कॉलेज वगैरह में इतने अच्छे लोग कैसे आते हैं, इतने अच्छे फैकल्टीज थोड़ी आते हैं. अच्छे, मनमोहक, टैलेंटेड, ज्ञान से भरे हुए, ये सारी चीजें, ये सब कुछ आपको देखना है, एंड वो बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. बताइए आप उनको ये चीज. कैरिज्मेटिक, या गो ऑन, यू कैन से ऑल दोस अमेजिंग गुड थिंग्स अबाउट मी, आई डोंट माइंड. खुश मिजाज, या गो अहेड. सिंगर, हाँ कभी कभी गाना भी गा लेते हैं. ब्यूटीफुल, बिल्कुल. हार्दिक, मतलब चेहरे से सुंदरता टपकती हुई. इम्प्रॉम्प्टू, गुड सिंगर. दरिया दिल, हैंडसम, लाजवाब. वाह. फिट तो यार थोड़ा सा वजन बढ़ा हुआ है यार, कम करना पड़ेगा. ह्यूमरस, स्मार्ट, नाइस एक्टर, कभी डांस भी होगा, उसके लिए भी प्रयत्न करेंगे 100%. मैं तेरा हाय रे क्या था, सिंगल भी. तुझे तुझे क्या करना है मेरे सिंगल होने से, अरुण गोस्वामी. इंटेलिजेंट. सो रियलाइज एंड वी विल सी. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, डाउन टू अर्थ. दैट शुड ऑलवेज बी द केस, irrespective of what you have done, irrespective of where you have reached. It's very important that you got to be down the, that you got to be, what do you say, grounded. Very important. You got to be down, you got to be a person who's always connected. Down to earth बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है रहना. समझ में आया, बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. सर इतना मैं कभी भी नहीं बैठी थी. फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम डूइंग दिस, एंड द रीजन व्हाई आई डू इट फॉर सो लॉन्ग इज बिकॉज आई वांट एवरीबॉडी टू गेट बेनिफिटेड बाय इट. आई वांट एवरीबॉडी टू गेट रिजल्ट्स. आई वांट एवरीबॉडी टू क्रिएट अपॉर्चुनिटीज फॉर योर ओन सेल्फ. That is important and that's what matters. Rakesh, I first need to know what is the work that you do. Only then will I recommend you to do it. Got it? Next.